Cleansing toxins, protect your liver with a cleanse. When most of us think of toxins, poisons, and radioactive spills come to mind, chemicals that cause cancer, birth defects, and barren soil. However, toxins are all around us, and sometimes we ingest them on purpose in our beloved products such as alcohol, refined sugar, and trans fats. We go about our daily lives unaware of these toxins because of the wonderful liver doing the job of filtering and cleansing toxins. Your liver is probably the most uncelebrated hero of all of organs. It may seem a little strange to speak of an organ in this manner, but so few people really understand all your liver does for you. Not only does your liver carry out its primary function of cleansing toxins, but it produces bile for the breakdown of fats, senses when carbohydrates are unavailable, and metabolizes fat into glucose for energy. Your liver is also the source for the activation, detoxification, and excretion of most medications. Yes, even the Tylenol taken for a headache must pass through your liver. Still, we pile more on. We eat food that is barely qualified to be called such, drink alcohol to excess, and smoke cigarettes, and these are the things we do on purpose. We're exposed to less fresh air, more carbon monoxides, and pesticides. Why even our antiperspirants contain enough aluminum to bear a warning. Nonetheless, our liver does its job of cleansing toxins and harmful chemicals and protecting our bodies from damage. Unfortunately, as with any protector, each battle leaves evidence, and this steady barrage of toxins that enter our body can take its toll. Because your liver is the primary depot for all the junk we absorb, it's particularly important you avoid toxic substances as much as possible and cleanse your liver once per month. Since your liver also metabolizes fat, it plays an important role in your weight loss effort. Years of high fat and oil consumption can result in a condition called fatty liver, where fat accumulates in your liver cells. This invasion of fat diminishes your liver's capacity to perform the job of cleansing toxins and metabolizing fat. Therefore, it is very important that you take steps to keep your liver clean and free of fat. Maintaining a low-fat, high-fiber diet plus a periodic liver cleanse will help keep your body's internal security bouncer functioning properly. Unlike other organs, your liver has the capacity to regenerate and heal, even after years of abuse, so it's never too late. Start taking better care of your liver.